Hi, so I want to take a minute. I want to work through one of these limiting reagent problems, and especially one that talks about how much reactant we have in excess. So here we have a solution containing 43.5 grams of calcium nitrate is added to a solution that contains 39.5 grams of sodium fluoride. Calcium fluoride precipitates completely as shown in the equation below. How many grams of calcium fluoride precipitate and how many grams of which reactant are in excess? Okay, so this is first a limiting reagent problem. Okay, so we're going to do our two scenarios. We're going to assume that calcium nitrate is limiting, then we will assume that sodium fluoride is limiting, and whichever one gives us, and we might as well work this out to grams because that's what our answer is asked for. Whichever one gives us the lowest number of grams will tell us how many grams are actually precipitated. Okay, the first step is to calculate the molar mass. I've already done that on my piece of paper here on the side. So in scenario 1, we have calcium nitrate limiting. We say we have 43.5 grams of the stuff. And I've worked out that so we hit say there's 164.01 grams in 1 mole of calcium nitrate. Sorry if this is going to get a little ugly here. Then we do have a balanced equation here. We say that 1 mole of calcium nitrate forms 1 mole of calcium fluoride. Okay, and then we say 1 mole of calcium fluoride has a mass of 78.07 grams. Okay, so I'm literally doing this right now. I'm sitting here with my calculator. So I got that this is going to give us 20.7 grams of calcium fluoride. All right. In scenario 2, we're going to assume that sodium fluoride is limiting. So we have 39.5 grams of sodium fluoride. Much nicer to write. And we know that there are 42 grams of sodium fluoride in 1 mole of sodium fluoride. Next, we need to use a molar ratio. So 2 moles of sodium fluoride are required to make 1 mole of calcium fluoride. And then we say 1 mole of calcium fluoride has a mass of 78.07 grams. Okay, if I take a moment to work this out, in this case, I get 36.7 grams of calcium fluoride. Okay, so I'm just comparing these two. This one tells me that I only have 20.4 grams. That's less than 36.7 grams. Therefore, this one is limiting. So this is true. This is not true. Okay, so now here's the part where some people had some trouble. We know that this is limiting. We know that this calcium nitrate is all used up. All right, and so what we had done in the first part is we had looked at, we had looked at this reactant and this product. And we had looked at this reactant and this product. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to say if all of this reacts, how much of this reacts? Okay, so now we're looking at one reactant in relationship to another. All right, so if we react completely 43.5 grams of calcium nitrate, I'm going to just use this abbreviation because I'm lazy. And again, the beginning of this is going to look the same. So really what I'm calculating is how much of this I use. I know I don't use all of it, but I use some of it. Okay, so this is going to look the same. Grams of calcium nitrate is 1 mole. Now we need to use the molar ratio. 1 mole of calcium nitrate reacts with 2 moles of sodium fluoride. All right. And then we say 1 mole of sodium fluoride has a mass of 42 grams. So what I'm getting here is the amount of sodium fluoride that is used up when I completely react 43.5 grams of calcium nitrate. Okay, so if you give me a minute with my calculator. So this gives me the fact that I use 11.14 grams of sodium fluoride. I started with 39.5 grams of sodium fluoride. So 39.5 grams of sodium fluoride starting minus 11.14 grams of sodium fluoride used. 39.5 minus, we'll just call it 11.1. That means 28.4 grams of this remain. Okay, I hope that helped for you. I know it got a little ugly. My handwriting is hard on this little pad. Hope this helps you.